Supercar performance, iconic looks, a 460 horsepower V8 sounds amazing through a quad-tip exhaust system. Today we're talking about this amazing 2019 Corvette Grand Sport. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and let's do a little walk around and talk about this amazing product. 2019 is the last year of this particular generation of the C7 Corvette. It was replaced by the C8 Corvette in the 2020 model year, which went to a mid-engine car. Basically, the Corvette engineers just got to the point, well, we can't put any more power in a front-engine rear-wheel drive vehicle. We can't make it go any faster, so to up the performance ante, they had to go mid-engine. But if you're fans of a more traditional Corvette, this iconic Grand Sport kind of keeps the same theme that we saw the Corvette all the way from the 50s, front-engined rear-wheel drive sports car, offering truly supercar performance. This thing's absolutely amazing, and the Grand Sport is kind of like the best of both worlds. It's not as pricey. It doesn't have 650 horsepower like the Z06, but it does have suspension components, and it has bodywork borrowed from the Z06 to give it a little bit more of an aggressive look and make it a true track vehicle. Even if you don't take it on the racetrack, it is wonderful on the road. It's got a magnetic suspension and a drive mode selector, and this magnetic suspension is absolutely amazing technology. You can put it on touring mode and you have a nice comfortable ride. It's still fun to drive, or you can put it on track mode or a higher drive setting and the suspension firms up, and this thing is absolute corner carving dream. This thing is absolute hoot to drive. If your life is boring, if you want add a little bit of excitement to your daily commute, you'll definitely look forward to your daily commute in this Corvette Grand Sport. I probably would want to daily drive this. I would just want to probably keep it as a weekend vehicle, but to each their own. We have a copy of the original build sheet. We took this one on trade. Some of our nicest vehicles coming in trade. This is no exception. We have a lot of standard equipment with the Grand Sport Corvette. The original MSRP was $70,275. It does have a few optional odds and ends. A 7-speed manual is standard. The 8-speed paddle shift automatic was a $1,900 option package. You also get remote start with that as well. We have the custom brake calipers in red. That was $595. Then we have the Grand Sport black aluminum wheels, $495. Carbon flash badge package, $100. And that's pretty much it. The rest of the stuff is standard, and you do have a lot of standard equipment. And of course, we have a complimentary copy of that build sheet, that window sticker for you to peruse yourself. Whew. I love the way that engine fires up. I can't leave it running too long because we're in our photo studio, but I'll take it outside and let you hear more of that V8 music. I want to show you it's got 32,205 miles. Nice digital gauge cluster in the middle of analog style gauges left and right. Great infotainment system. We have a rear parking camera, dual zone auto climate control, nice carbon fiber trim. We have a nice perforated leather interior, great sounding Bose audio system. We have dual zone auto climate control. The passenger actually has a little switch right there, a little button right there, so they can adjust their climate settings right there inside the climate control vent. Nice flat bottom steering wheel, feels wonderful in your hands, and we have paddle shifters so you can take control of those 8 forward gears. That 8-speed paddle shift automatic, it fires off gears very, very quickly, upshifting and downshifting. This Grand Sport's in beautiful shape inside and out, so if you've always been dreaming of having a Corvette, you don't have to be rich to own a Corvette. It's attainable to a lot of people as they're getting lower in price point. Maybe it might go up again as these become desirable collector's items, but right now these Grand Sports, these 2019 Grand Sports are a relative performance bargain in the pre-owned market, giving you near supercar performance. I mean, you're getting on-track performance that's approaching what you get like with a Ferrari and a McLaren in a vehicle that's a lot less expensive. There's an amazing American V8, 460 horsepower, and I can tell you, I've driven the Z06s, I've driven ZR1s, and it's almost too much power. The 650 horsepower Z06 is fun, but it's hard to put all that power to a ground. I'm not surprised why Corvette went to a mid-engine. With 460 horsepower, this thing is very, very fast. It's fast enough to scare you a lot. It's a very fast vehicle. So maybe if you're thinking about getting a Z06, you're not sure? Try a Grand Sport first, save some money, and you might think this is the perfect vehicle. And look at all these creases and curves. Everywhere we look, there are vents and louvers and stuff. There's those beautiful upgraded wheels, red brake calipers, slotted rotors. Going towards the rear, we have a functional rear spoiler. We have that quad tip exhaust. That exhaust system sounds heavenly. I'll Towards the end of the video, I'll take it outside and rev it for you. It's dark out, but we'll hear some of that V8 music before the video's over. You got to do that with a Corvette. This is probably one of the nicest sounding V8 engines that you'll ever hear. And it actually has a surprising amount of cargo space, so you and your significant other have enough space for a long weekend to go wherever you want. This is a great road trip vehicle. It's very comfortable, it's very luxurious to drive on the road, especially with that adaptive magnetic suspension. You can put it in touring mode and you can have all day comfort in this thing. It might be a little bit low to the ground. You know, obviously it's not as easy to get into and out of as an SUV, but once you get in there, you're very, very comfortable. All right, let's get it outside and rev up that engine. Well, that sounds amazing. Even better when you get behind the wheel and driving it. I love the gurgle from that exhaust. Even looks beautiful at nighttime. It has a nice ambient effect of its lighting. It is one beautiful car in the day or at nighttime. Thanks so much for joining me on this little walk around video, and have a wonderful day.